In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add late fees and payment terms in Wave. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set a clear due date, add a late fee line item, and document your policy so your customers understand what to expect. This helps you get paid on time and keeps everything professional and transparent. Start by opening Wave Accounting in your browser and logging into your account. Once you're in, head to your sales area. Click Sales and Payments, then select Invoices. This is where you can manage existing invoices or start a new one. Open an invoice you've already created, or create a new one if you're just getting started. If you're making a new one, fill in your usual invoice details as you normally would. The key settings we're focusing on today are the payment terms and the late fee. Let's set the payment terms first. Look for the payment due field on the invoice. This is where you choose when the payment is due, such as on receipt or within a number of days. Pick a due date that matches your policy and makes sense for the work you're invoicing. Clear payment terms set the tone for the rest of the invoice and help reduce late payments. Next, add your late fee. Click Add an item to insert a new line on the invoice. For the item name, type something clear and professional, like late fee or late payment charge. Then enter the amount of the fee. If you normally charge a flat fee, enter that exact figure. If you use a percentage, calculate the amount based on the invoice total and enter the result here so it's obvious to your customer. Keep the description concise so there's no confusion about what the charge represents. Now document the policy behind that fee. Scroll to the Notes, Terms section of the invoice. In plain language, write out your late payment policy. For example, when the fee applies, how it's calculated, and any grace period you offer. Keep it consistent with what you added as a line item. Clear, friendly wording helps prevent misunderstandings, and it's always a good idea to ensure your policy aligns with any local regulations or standards in your industry. When everything looks right, save your work. Click Save and continue if you're still reviewing, or choose Send to deliver the invoice to your customer right away. Done. Late fees and payment terms have now been added to your Wave invoice. Thanks for watching.